What's up guys, Jesse Piccolo, Vet Adventures here. We're here on Cars on 5th Ave in Naples. It's our first time here. It's a great event, meeting a lot of new people, checking out some amazing cars. We got our painted sample Bahama Yellow GT3 RS behind us. Company magazines, we're out here shaking hands and meeting people, and what a beautiful day. Appreciate you guys.
Caught up in the fast life, kind of feels like, caught up in the fast life, kind of feels like.
All right, man, we just finished up an amazing day on Cars on 5th Avenue, and I want to give a huge shout out to Porsche Naples, man. They were super sick. Dan and Anthony, thank you so much for allowing me to drop the car off over there at the dealership, bringing it here to your studio spot for me to store it here on 5th Avenue so that I can just pull it out right into the show. The show was epic. This was obviously our first time. The Bahama Yellow GT3 RS got hella looks, man. Super sick. Made some really good contacts, new relationships, and I think the future is very bright for Vet Adventures. So appreciate you guys. Much love, and you know the slogan, trust in V.